In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Spacedesk with an iPhone or iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Spacedesk allows you to extend your main computer display to your iOS device, turning it into a secondary monitor. Understanding the Spacedesk setup. Spacedesk works with two components. The driver, installed on your main Windows PC, Windows 10 or 11 only. The viewer, installed on your iPhone or iPad. Important note, the Spacedesk driver is only available for Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you're using a Mac, this process will not work. Step 1. Download the Spacedesk driver on your Windows PC. Visit the official Spacedesk website, spacedesk.net, and download the driver for Windows 10 or Windows 11. Install it on your main PC. Step 2. Download the Spacedesk viewer on your iPhone or iPad. On your iOS device, open the App Store and search for Spacedesk Viewer. Download and install the app for free. Step 3. Open the Spacedesk driver console. Once the driver is installed on your Windows PC, open it. You'll see the Spacedesk driver console. Step 4. Enable the driver. The most important first step is to make sure the driver is enabled. Look for the power toggle or status indicator and switch it to on. Step 5. Choose your connection method. Under Communication Interfaces, select how you want to connect your devices. Option A. Wi-Fi network, local area network. Enable local area network. This allows wireless connection. Requirement: both your Windows PC and your iPhone iPad must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Option B. USB cable connection. Enable USB cable for iOS. Connect your iPhone or iPad to your Windows PC using a compatible USB cable. This provides a stable, wired connection. Step 6. Open the Spacedesk viewer on your iOS device. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Spacedesk viewer app. For Wi-Fi connection, your Windows PC should automatically appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to establish the connection. For USB connection, if the connection doesn't start automatically, tap the USB icon in the viewer app. The connection should establish immediately. Step 7. Configure your display settings. Once connected, you can customize how your iOS device functions as a display. Quick settings. Press Windows key plus P on your keyboard to quickly choose between duplicate, mirror your main display. Extend use as additional screen space. Second screen only. Detailed settings. Right-click on your Windows desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll to multiple displays, choose Extend these displays or duplicate these displays. Drag and position the virtual monitors to match your physical setup. Optional settings. The driver console also offers various optional settings like delay adjustments, quality preferences, performance options. These are personal preference and can be tweaked later based on your needs. That's how you can use Spacedesk with an iPhone or iPad to create a secondary display for your Windows PC, whether you choose a wireless Wi-Fi connection or a wired USB connection. The process is straightforward and gives you extra screen space for productivity.